Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel, and we are celebrating love, L-O-V-E, Love Month, the entire month of February. I'm starting Love Month off in the kitchen, and I'll be whipping up some delicious pink velvet waffles. So join me in the kitchen so I can share this delicious dish with you guys. Start with your basic waffle mix, and I just took the waffle mix, and what we're going to do is add a little bit of red food coloring, and you can add a little bit of vanilla if you would like, but it's up to you. It's your choice if you want to add a little more flavor, adding some vanilla. So just give it a good whisk, until you can add as many drops as you like so you get the desired pink, because once you put it in the waffle iron, it gives you that brown, so you want your pink to show through, so you want to make sure you get the pink to the desired color that you want, and then you can just spread it along inside of the waffle maker. So for this batch, I wanted to do something a little different. So I took a strawberry and I just chopped up some so I could just sprinkle them all over in the mix to give it a little different twist to the waffles instead of the plain waffles. So just sprinkle them all over and just add them to the waffle mix as desired. Now it is presentation time. All of those beautiful waffles that you made with or without the strawberries, now you're just going to take them and plate them on this platter and give it a nice presentation. And then we're going to take some strawberries and just garnish your platter as well, all over this plate. And of course you can't forget this powdered sugar. This is definitely a staple in my house. My kids love this powdered sugar. Just going to give it a nice little coating over top, and then to top it all off, we're going to take some of this chocolate and just drizzle it all over these waffles. Guys, this was so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you tried this recipe for yourself, and please let me know how you enjoyed it in the comments below. And I want to thank you all for watching, and happy Valentine's Day, and I love you, lovelies. Thank you for joining me, and let's stay connected by subscribing to my channel and giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, bye lovelies.